Okay, it's just a quick tutorial on showing you how to paint an aircraft for Flight Sim. I'm going to show you how to do it for Flight Sim 2004. I will put a video up soon. Flight Sim X. They're both almost basically the same. They're just like different paint kits. So I don't really need to do a Flight Sim X one really. So yeah. So first of all, you want to get yourself a paint kit for the aircraft which you want to paint. I'm just going to do 747 to 400 and Project Open Sky have a good one of those. I'm just going to download one of them. Got that going in the background here. So I'm just going to pause the video until that finishes. Oh wait, it's just finished, so I know you're lucky. Yeah, so just open it up, extract the files, hit extract. Okay, so they've extracted. Now you want to go and find the file which I had a second ago. This one, which you just extracted. So yeah, just open that up. Then, if you're using Adobe Photoshop, I'm just going to show you what to use. Yeah, I'm going to show you how to use that. You want to open up this one. But if you're not using that, if you're not using Photoshop, just open up what is it? This one here, and you can edit it in Paint. These ones, but it's really hard to. I would recommend you do use Photoshop for this or something like that. So just want to go ahead and open that file for Photoshop, and that should load up. Okay, so this is what it looked like. Now down here, you want to scroll down and go down to the base color, and this is where you want to paint. Because if you look now, if I use a color, just a random color, I'll use red. It goes under all the lines and all the doors, everything. So I'm just going to do an entirely red plane, so just red plane. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to get some text and put that over it, and I'll show you how to do that in a second. So grab the text tool and put the text down wherever you want it. So I'm just going to put it here. Just change the font up here. And change the colour if you want, because that doesn't look very good. The green on the black, the green on the red. Sorry. Yeah, so that's changed, and as you can see, that's under everything else, and it goes under the doors, which looks quite good. I missed a bit at the top right. So yeah, right. So there you are. You've painted your plane. Now what you need to do is you need to go and open this up, go into it and go here, fuselage layout textures, and then open up the corresponding one. So we're using the left hand side stuff, so we need a left hand side one. So here's the left textures, so just open that up. Okay, now just do this, just follow what I do, okay? You want to zoom in a bit, that usually helps. Get this little marquee tool here and draw around what you can see here. So basically do the same, make the same image there, but just follow me. So just cut around it. Now press Control, Shift and C. Go over here, press Control V. Take down the opacity a bit so you can see through the doors, the windows and everything, so you can align it easier. See, that looks about right there. Now just take that back up to 100%. Then it helps if you just click that. Yeah, you can see that it's in line easily. Take the opacity back down to about 40 or something. Grab the little rectangle square marquee tool and then just cut off the edge which you don't need. So that's this bit here. Yeah, that looks better. Now drag that back up to 100. Now you want to do this with all the other pieces. I'll just pause it whilst I do that. Okay, so I've just finished painting the aircraft. Now what I want to do is I want to go back over to the original bit where I originally painted the aircraft, and you want to go over toward the text. So you want to highlight all the text which you have and copy it and paste it into a new document like so. You then want to go to Image and click Rotate Canvas, then click Flip Canvas Horizontally, so look like that. Hit Control A, Control C, and then go back over here, hit Control V, and just replace the text which you had earlier with the new text. You now want to go up here and remove the left hand side stuff, click on the right hand side stuff. You can, got a text, you can add the cargo places as well if you want, cargo doors, that's it. Open up the windows, yeah, the windows folder, click on the left windows and move the right windows, right hand side windows. Sorry, that's the wrong way around. You want to click on the right hand ones, not the left hand ones. Right. Right. Now you want to do the same